Hi, this is Thalia the dietitian, and you may know me from Instagram at Family Snack Nutritionist. And again, I'm on YouTube because I really want you to have a place to go when you have a few minutes rather than a few seconds to explore a nutrition topic with me. Today I'm at a big supermarket and I wanted to focus on reading a label today. And I've picked a cracker because I know a lot of mothers buy their children crackers. And I've just gone with a really generic plain cracker. And I wanted to show you what to look at when you're looking at the nutrition label. And one thing, I don't want to be annoying, but if you find my videos helpful and you learn something, I would love if you would subscribe and turn the notification on so that you never miss one of my videos, because I'm going to be covering lots of great nutrition topics and doing more label analyses for you to help you. So let's get started. The first thing, there are always two things to look at when you look at the panel. You want to look at the actual panel, and then you also want to locate the ingredients to see what's actually in the product. So this particular one, I would scan and have a look to see what the fat is, and I would want to make sure that there's no trans fat in there. I also want to look at the sodium, because crackers tend to be high in sodium, and 9 out of 10 kids already consume too much sodium in their day. And even though it might seem like just a little bit, it really does add up. So the next thing I want to look at is fiber, because I'm very big into fiber. We want to keep things as whole grainy as possible for children, and that fiber is really, really important. The next thing that kind of catches my eye as I'm scrolling down here is looking at the amount of iron in here, because iron's a really important micronutrient for children. So then I'm going to scan down and have a look at the ingredients. And it's great to see that there's only 3 ingredients in there. There's whole grain wheat, so that's what we want to see. Second is canola oil, and third is sea salt. So canola oil is a loaded topic. It's good in the sense that it has mostly mono and polyunsaturated fats. The problem is that we find it in a lot of processed foods, and we tend to eat a lot of processed foods, meaning that we get too much of a certain type of fatty acid. So that's just something to kind of keep in mind. So the sodium here was 160 milligrams, which to me is quite high. And in the serving size, it's only 6 crackers, which is probably about what a child would eat. So I would say this is a fine thing to buy. I like the few ingredients that are in there, and the fact that it has some fiber in there. I would be cognizant of not giving this every day. And yeah, I hope you found that helpful. And if you learned something, I would love if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so that you never miss another video. And thank you so much.
This parenting thing is really hard and didn't come with a manual, especially when it comes to feeding. Here are some more videos to help you.